Hi guys, Renee here. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying your week so far. So we want to come to you today with an embroidery video, and I actually don't think I've ever seen a video on this particular product, so we thought it would be interesting to film it today. So what we're doing is, these are capes for a hair salon. So these are the capes you put on when you get your hair done. And we're going to embroider their logo on the front. So the first thing I did was I marked the area where I wanted the center to be with some tailor's chalk. And I marked it 6 inches down from the neck. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 pieces of tearaway. So I have a larger sheet of tearaway and 2 smaller sheets and some temporary spray. So I'm just going to spray the sheets really quickly, just so that they stay in place while I'm hooping. And I am going to be using my Mighty Hoops today. I'm using the 8x9 Mighty Hoops on my Tajima side. So in addition to that, I'm going to put some water-soluble topping on the top. And as I mentioned, I'm using my 8x9 Mighty Hoops today. And also, this is just a handy trick. You all may or may not have a book like this, but this is my book where I write down all the details of each customer's order, so that if they ever reorder, I can go to this and I write down the thread color, the topping, the file name of the file I use, the placement on the garment, just every detail I can think of, so that if they ever reorder in the future, it will be exactly the same. So just want to mention that little tip. So now we're going to go over to the Mighty Hoops and get this hooped up. Okay guys, we're back at the Mighty Hoop station. And so I have the backing already on here and the cape laid out. So next I'm going to put the topping on. And basically, I'm trying to just estimate the middle and get this line lined up with the blue line here, so that the design will stitch on there straight. All right. So we're done with hooping. Next, we're going over to the machine. Okay guys, here we are at the machine. I have the cape loaded on. You always want to look up under here when you load something and just make sure everything is out of the way, so that you don't stitch on the bottom of whatever you're doing. Okay, I have the file already loaded. And we are just going to press start. And then we'll bring you back when it's done and show you the finished product. All right guys, we're all finished, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So didn't that come out beautiful? Very nice and neat. And then of course all we have to do is clean up the back and fold it up, and we're ready for the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to embroider hair salon cape, and we hope to see you soon. Please like, subscribe to our videos. Thank you. Bye.